Good day. Welcome once again to a new weekly review, weekly recap. Let's check how we did this week. First thing first, remember that this week was a NFP week. Actually, today was the NFP. So during this week, you should be aware that the market sometimes might behavior quite differently than during normal environment, let's say. And we also have some tensions going on in Ukraine and Russia. So I think we all are aware of that. So that's why this week we try to lower a little bit our trades, our setups. I do it personally because during the NFP week, for instance, there are many setups that just get invalidated, and that's why we send a few setups and few entries. But to begin with, we had a very nice week again with our crypto portfolio. We are killing it with the crypto market. Let's take a look. Um, Actually, all our positions were closed. 463, and the account balance is now 6,038. As you can see here, um, we did pretty good. Actually, we did pretty good with the crypto. Same thing. We had another one here. Same thing. Another one here. March 1st. Same thing. And this one closing our long on sushi. We had a nice pump in the market. Closing price. 347, and we had 124 profit. So I mean, on the market side, on the crypto side, we did pretty good. Now let's check what happened on the Forex market, because this was a nice week also. But as I said, there were a few setups only. Um, there were a few setups during the week. So let me show you, for instance, the ones I share. I had a loss, unfortunately, on this GJ setup. It was pretty good. We were at a 4 hour supply level, and the level was not taken out. As you can see, the price reacted and broke the structure in the 5 minute time frame. It broke the structure. So that's why I mark this supply level, which also had a very nice and very solid price cycle. But the market ended up removing this level, creating a huge movement to the upside, and our 12 pip stop loss uh, got hit, unfortunately. So this was a loss on GJ. Then I had another one on US 30. I missed this move. I missed this move. Actually, I think this is one of the setups I share, guys, on the weekly forecast, if I'm not mistaken. So basically, the market filled imbalance, but did not tap my demand level, and started to react it, and started to create a 1 hour or 30 minute bullish structure. But then we had a nice supply level here. So I was waiting for the price to drop from this supply level and tap my demand zone, but didn't happen. It just started to consolidate, and our equal highs were taken out. Right after our equal highs were taken out, the market just dropped. So let me show you what happened with this one. So as you can see here, as you can see, this was our demand level, and this was my target, actually, above this equal highs, because we know that most of the time when we identify this pattern, this equal highs or equal lows, there is liquidity above or below those levels. So basically, the market just did not tap my zone and ended up removing the level. And right after our take profit level was hit, the market dropped. So that's one of the uh, trade setups that were shared that unfortunately we missed. And then there is another one on dollar yen, which was another setup share, I guess, during the weekly review. We had a nice price action confirmation, broken trend line. So I sent this entry to the team. All right. Check something here. We had a pretty nice confirmation in the 5-minute time frame. All right. This order block right there, is the order block responsible of breaking this high. So I sent the signal based on this 5-minute confirmation, but keep in mind something. We are in a risk off environment. All right. Any tweet we see or any upcoming news might change the sentiment in the market very fast. So since we are in a risk off environment, since there are things going on in Europe, we should take into consideration those environments and protect our capital. So for instance, in this case, I sent the signal not based on this 5-minute order block, but based in the whole 1 hour order block, because I didn't want to get any surprise situation, let's say. So the market, see what it did. If I would have sent the entry based on the 5-minute order block, I will probably, let's see, hit my break even. But if I would have let it run, my stop loss was going to be hit. So here, something happened here. Since we were getting close to the rollover session, all right, to the rollover period, I'm sorry, since we were getting close to the rollover session, I recommended to the team to move to break even. All right, so my entry was taken out at break even. But if you let it run, or if you saw the notification later and you decided to let this trade run, your the take profit level was hit, which I was looking for it to 2-1. I was pretty satisfied with this one. But if you see the market, the price rally and gave us 100 pips, almost 1.4. So it was going to be a pretty good trade, but sadly for me, I was taken out at break even. So those were my trades. So I hope you guys let this trade run. Because as I said, I don't like taking trades and let them run during rollover session. So let's see how our smart money trader did. Our smart money trader was very active this week on our Discord server, and one of the first setups he shared was on GU on the 4-hour time frame. It was a sell right from this order block. And actually, the price went his way, but then it retraced. This is what happened. Take a look. Just right here from this price, from this level market, right there. He was able to take it right at the week, but then the price retraced. So if you didn't close your position, you would have ended at break even, or if you close, you were able to at least get 1-1. So that's one of the first one. Let's take a look at some more. This is another one on CAT JPY. As in the 1-hour time frame, it was a buy. We were looking to make a new higher high. I was also planning to buy on this one, but I didn't have a lower time frame confirmation. But he took it aggressively. And the market, as you can see, reacted off a 1-hour order block right there. And then, boom, it went all the way up. Let's see what happened. As you can see, here's the entry. The market did, in fact, remove these equal highs. Once again, once you identify equal highs, keep in mind that there will be liquidity. So those are very nice take profit targets, take profit prices. And market did make a new higher high. So this was a very nice setup shared by our smart money trader, but there are more. Let's take a look. Once again, another setup that smashed the take profit level is NCD dollar on the 1-hour time frame by market execution. This was not a pending order. You should have entered right at the moment he sent it. And as you can see, actually he was looking for basically some sort of liquidity grab technique, because this was a supply level. So above this supply level, we have tons of liquidity, tons of stop losses. And actually that's what happened. See the market rally from this price to the take profit. Let me show you. Right there. It took some time. As you know, the market's been a little bit crazy these last days. But yeah, we were in a drawdown for a little bit, and then market rallied to the take profit price. And one more. And let's check this Aussie New Zealand dollar on the 4-hour time frame. As you can see, the market was consolidating. This pair was consolidating right here, and there were some imbalances right here on this candle, which needed to be filled, which needed to be balanced, and that's exactly what the market did. That's why we recommend to learn smart money concepts. You can combine with price action, supply and demand, and we are completely sure you will have a powerful strategy to beat the markets. And that's basically a little bit of our week. It was very solid week, very nice week, but yeah, we need to be really careful during these days, due to the volatility in the markets. And yeah, that's it for today, guys. If you would like to join our Discord server and be part of our setups and also share yours, you can send us a DM. You can contact us on Instagram, and we will also place the link in the description so you can check the whole information and join our Discord family, guys, and enjoy from and benefit from all these setups shared in our community. Thank you very much for watching our video, watching our weekly recap, and we'll see you next week with another weekly forecast. Bye bye.